Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping, specifically a tool many of you know and love, Spocket. But here's the question that might be nagging at some of you: is Spocket a one-trick pony for Shopify stores only? Can you break free from the Shopify ecosystem and still leverage Spocket's dropshipping magic? Intrigued? Let's unpack this and see what options Spocket offers beyond the familiar blue confines of Shopify. Spocket and Shopify, a match made in e-commerce heaven. Let's face it, Spocket and Shopify go together like peanut butter and jelly. Spocket's seamless integration with Shopify makes it a breeze to find dropshipping suppliers, import products, and automate order fulfillment. It's a dream come true for many Shopify entrepreneurs. But what if you're not a Shopify user? What if you've built your online store on another platform like BigCommerce, Wix, or WooCommerce? Fear not, fellow dropshippers, because Spocket breaks free, expanding your e-commerce horizons. The good news is, Spocket isn't just a Shopify fanboy. They've opened their arms to other popular e-commerce platforms. Here's the breakdown. BigCommerce: if you're a BigCommerce user, you can rejoice. Spocket integrates beautifully with your store, offering the same streamlined dropshipping experience you'd expect on Shopify. Wix stores can now leverage Spocket's power. This is fantastic news for Wix entrepreneurs who want to add a dropshipping element to their business without the hassle of complex integrations. WooCommerce, the king of self-hosted e-commerce solutions, WooCommerce also joins the party. Spocket integrates seamlessly with your WooCommerce store, giving you complete control over your dropshipping operation. So, there you have it. Spocket isn't just a Shopify darling, it's a multi-platform dropshipping champion. This flexibility opens doors for entrepreneurs who want to explore different e-commerce platforms without leaving Spocket behind. But wait, there's more. A look at Spocket's supplier network. Now, you might be wondering, does Spocket offer the same supplier selection across all platforms? The answer is yes and no. While the core functionality remains consistent, there might be slight variations in the supplier base depending on your chosen platform. This is because Spocket curates suppliers based on factors like platform compatibility and regional shipping capabilities. For example, you might find a wider range of US-based suppliers on Spocket for your BigCommerce store compared to a Wix store based in Europe. The takeaway: Spocket, your dropshipping ally, not your platform dictator. Here's the bottom line: Spocket offers a fantastic dropshipping solution for entrepreneurs beyond the Shopify realm. Whether you're a BigCommerce boss, a Wix whiz, or a WooCommerce warrior, Spocket can be your dropshipping partner in crime. Just remember, there might be minor tweaks in the supplier selection based on your chosen platform. But hey, that just means you get a curated experience tailored to your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy dropshipping.